Hi, I'm Aaron March from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 keys to a great email campaign. These are the first things your recipients are going to see in their inbox, and this is their call to action to actually open up your emails. So you have to get these just right. Make sure your campaign title is compelling and informative. You want people to open up your email, and you want them to know what to expect when they open it up. Your preview text is similar to the subject line in that you want it to grab people's attention right away, but you have a few more characters in the subject line to get your idea across, so this point doesn't have to be quite as succinct as the subject line itself. It's important for your emails to be visually engaging. When people open them up, they're not likely to read lengthy paragraphs of text, especially without accompanying images. Pick your boldest and most engaging imagery to give your email campaign impact. If the primary purpose of your email campaign is to sell more products or drive more traffic to your website, that's all well and good, but in order to engage your audience, you need to also provide additional value within the email itself. This is a great place to include links to additional resources, articles, or updates that are engaging for your users and not just a sales pitch. The most effective email campaigns are 75% engaging content and only 25% sales. The more curated your lists of recipients are, the more engaging your content will be for those specific groups. Use an email marketing platform like Klaviyo to track geographic and demographic information on your end users in order to create emails with content specifically targeted to those groups. This will drastically increase your engagement and the overall performance of your email campaigns. If you're trying to direct customers to your website or a specific social media channel, make sure they understand exactly where you're trying to direct them and what your actual offer is. The number one key to a successful email marketing campaign is a clear call to action. Whether you're trying to direct your customers to your website, your social media channels, or any other platform, it's important that they understand exactly where you're trying to send them from the email and why. So there you have it. That's our top 5 tips to a successful email campaign.